Now that we have the tools we need, we can finally begin building some cool web pages. The first thing we need to learn in order to accomplish this is HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. In our setup lesson, we created a file called index.html, so we know that HTML is written in .html files. This is very similar to writing a Microsoft Word document in a docx file, or an Excel document in a .xlsx file, or a PowerPoint presentation in a .pptx file. But instead of rendering our HTML file in Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, it's rendered in a browser, along with CSS and JavaScript files. In the last lesson, we learned servers can serve files or data to clients. In the case of a website, these are the types of files a server may serve to a client. The browser is simply the medium in which they are able to view the files and data from a server in a nicely formatted way. Unlike Microsoft Office files, however, we do not write our HTML files in the same place we render them. We render them in the browser, but we write them in Sublime Text. Also, unlike Microsoft Office products, there is no abstraction of detail when we write HTML files. For instance, we can't simply highlight a section of text, click a button, and have it be italicized. Instead, we wrap our text in things called tags that allow the browser to distinguish between various elements of our web page. These tags and elements are what we will focus on for the remainder of this lesson.